Are expensive headphones worth the price tag? Title: Are expensive headphones worth the price tag? Introduction. In today's tech-driven world, headphones have become an integral part of our daily lives. Whether we use them for music, gaming, or simply for an immersive audio experience, the market offers a wide range of options to suit every budget. However, when it comes to headphones, there has always been a debate about whether expensive ones are truly worth the hefty price tag. So, are expensive headphones really worth the investment? Let's dive deeper into the subject to weigh the pros and cons. Quality and sound performance. One of the primary factors that sets expensive headphones apart is the superior quality in both build and sound performance. High-end headphones often come with premium materials, ensuring durability and comfort during prolonged use. The craftsmanship of expensive headphones is often exemplary, with attention to detail and enhanced aesthetics. When it comes to sound performance, expensive headphones tend to deliver exceptional audio quality. Advanced technology, such as high-quality drivers, noise-canceling features, and accurate frequency response, result in a more immersive and precise listening experience. The clarity and depth offered by expensive headphones can significantly enhance the audio output, allowing users to pick up on nuances that they might miss with cheaper alternatives. Durability and longevity. Another significant advantage of investing in expensive headphones is their durability and longevity. While cheaper headphones often compromise on materials to cut costs, leading to quicker wear and tear, expensive models are built to last. With sturdier components and superior build quality, they can withstand the rigors of daily use for an extended period. This means that even though they may come with a higher initial investment, their lifespan often exceeds that of cheaper models, ultimately making them a more cost-effective choice in the long run. Comfort and fit. Comfort is a crucial aspect when it comes to headphones, especially if you intend to use them for extended periods. Expensive headphone models often prioritize comfort with plush padding, adjustable headbands, and lightweight design. These features ensure a comfortable fit, even during extended listening sessions, preventing discomfort or fatigue. Additionally, many expensive headphones offer customizable options such as detachable ear cups or adjustable sliders, allowing users to find the perfect fit for their unique preferences. This level of comfort and customization is often lacking in cheaper models, making expensive headphones a preferred choice for those who prioritize long-lasting comfort. Noise cancellation. Noise-canceling technology has become increasingly popular, and expensive headphones often excel in this area. Active noise-canceling headphones use advanced algorithms to analyze ambient noise and reduce it, providing a more immersive and focused audio experience. By blocking out external sounds, expensive headphones allow users to concentrate on their desired audio without the distractions of the surrounding environment. In contrast, cheaper headphones may offer passive noise isolation but usually fall short in providing a completely immersive experience. Brand reputation and after-sales support. One factor that often justifies the higher price of expensive headphones is the reputation of the brand and the after-sales support they provide. Established brands with a strong track record of producing high-quality audio equipment tend to invest heavily in research and development. This focus on innovation translates into better products and a superior user experience. Moreover, expensive headphone brands often have dedicated customer service departments, ensuring prompt assistance if any issues arise. These brands typically offer longer warranties and better support. Giving customers peace of mind and added value for their investment. On the other hand, cheaper headphone options may lack this level of reliability and after-sales support. Customers may find it challenging to seek help or get their headphones repaired if problems occur, resulting in a potentially frustrating experience. With their superior build quality, advanced sound performance, and durability, expensive headphones offer a range of benefits that can enhance your audio experience. The craftsmanship and attention to detail found in high-end models result in a more immersive and precise listening experience. Additionally, the durability of expensive headphones ensures that they will last longer, making them a more cost-effective choice in the long run. Comfort is another key aspect where expensive headphones excel. They often prioritize comfort with features such as plush padding and adjustable headbands, ensuring a comfortable fit even during prolonged use. Customizable options further enhance the comfort level, allowing users to adjust the fit to their liking. Cheaper headphones often compromise on comfort, making expensive headphones the preferred choice for those who prioritize long-lasting comfort. Expensive headphones also shine in the area of noise cancellation. With advanced algorithms, these headphones are able to analyze and reduce ambient noise, creating a more immersive audio experience. Cheaper alternatives usually lack this level of noise cancellation, which can be particularly beneficial in noisy environments. Brand reputation and after-sales support are also important factors to consider. Established brands with a strong reputation tend to invest in research and development, resulting in better products. These brands also often provide better support and longer warranties, giving customers peace of mind and added value for their investment. However, it's worth noting that mid-range and budget headphones have improved significantly in recent years. If your requirements are relatively basic and you do not prioritize top-tier audio performance or long-lasting durability, cheaper alternatives might be a suitable choice. If you are an audiophile or professional gamer, or simply someone who values the best possible audio experience, expensive headphones are worth considering. They offer superior build quality, advanced sound performance, and durability, resulting in a more immersive and precise listening experience. The comfort features, such as plush padding and adjustable headbands, ensure a comfortable fit and during extended use. The noise cancellation technology found in expensive headphones is also advantageous in blocking out external noise, creating a more focused audio experience. In addition to these benefits, expensive headphones often come with the reputation of established brands and better after-sales support. These brands invest in research and development, leading to better products and a superior user experience. They also provide dedicated customer service departments, longer warranties, and better support. This level of reliability and after-sales support is often lacking in cheaper headphone options. However, it's important to acknowledge that mid-range and budget headphones have improved significantly in recent years. If your requirements are relatively basic and you don't prioritize top-tier audio performance or long-lasting durability, cheaper alternatives may be suitable for your needs. In summary, the debate surrounding whether expensive headphones are worth the price tag is subjective and depends on individual preferences. Expensive headphones offer superior build quality, advanced sound performance, and durability, resulting in a more immersive and precise listening experience. They also prioritize comfort, often with plush padding and adjustable headbands, making them suitable for extended periods of use. Additionally, the noise cancellation technology found in expensive headphones is beneficial in blocking external noise, creating a more focused audio experience. Furthermore, expensive headphones often come from established brands with a strong reputation and offer better after-sales support, longer warranties, and dedicated customer service departments. This level of reliability and support may be lacking in cheaper alternatives. However, advancements in technology have made mid-range and budget headphones better than ever, making them a suitable choice. For those with more modest requirements. Ultimately, the decision to invest in expensive headphones depends on your individual preferences, budget, and usage requirements. If you value exceptional quality, immersive sound, and outstanding